Merry Christmas in July! We found a discounted Glow recipe calendar, a 2025 version, but it's still good. And so we're doing an unboxing for Christmas in July. This is the first thing we found in the calendar. This is the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I don't think this is full size. I think this is probably a travel size or a deluxe sample size. The next thing we found was a serum. This says Prickly Pear Peptide Mucin Serum. It's 5 milliliters. So again, we're looking at some sample sizes, maybe some deluxe samples or travel sizes. This is a blush in Very Flush, and it has a Twitter. Yes, I'm excited over this one because it says it is Watermelon Glow. And we all know I do love me some good watermelon. So I'm excited to try this one out. Niacinamide Dewy Flush. And the shade again was Berry Flush. This is Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. And I've taken a little sniff of it. It has a fruity scent. And this is what size? Tiny. I don't see a size on it. Again, we're getting at the moment mostly the deluxe sample sizes, travel sizes. This is a lip shine. It says that it is glassberry. It says it's blackberry bingsu, and it is a glassy lip shine. Oh, I got mixed up. That's okay. It looks like a fun shade if it is anything close to the packaging. Anyone else out there tried any of these? Let me know, let me know. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I think I have one of these and I haven't dug into it yet, so this is gonna have to go second in line behind that one. This, I have taken a little sniff and it does have a nice scent. So excited to have it, just have to add it to my list of things to try. And she's got a long list. Anne is also excited about this one because it has a watermelon scent. Another watermelon. I don't think I've tried this one before. The Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. And this is getting a little bit bigger in size. Be exact, what did the box say? The box said that it was 25 milliliters. This is a watermelon product that Anne has tried. And I want to say the first time I tried it, I wasn't that impressed. And the second time I was a little more impressed. So we might be giving this one a third try. This is the good old Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Serum. Oh, that's a large looking box. I wonder if there's something large in it. Well, let me tell you. Nope. Oh. Although, I gotta say, and as much as, yeah, I think the packaging could have done a little bit better on the size of this out of that box, but it's watermelon. Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. Anne likes to put these in little spray bottles and spritz them on during a no makeup day. Yes, nice and refreshing, especially during the hot weather. And we seem to have found the hot weather finally. Yes, we have. How about you? More watermelon. Oh, I am a happy girl with this box. Oh, yes, yes, yes. And I've used this before and I like it. It's a tinted serum. I will sometimes use this in place of bronzer and definitely in place of foundation. I'm finding I like tinted serums more than I like foundation followed by bronzer. I just like a good tinted serum, and this is a good tinted serum. Glow recipe, obviously. Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops Sun Glow. And I think this was almost, it is 1.35 fluid ounces. So this is, if not full size, at least a mini size. Speaking of things to spritz on your skin, this can be a setting spray, or this can be throughout the day to refresh your skin and helpful in the hot weather. Hopefully not sticky. Well, I readily admit with these products I have to be careful to not over apply, because yes, then you can get sticky. But throughout the day, every couple of hours or so, it makes a nice treat for the skin. And this one is Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And last but not least is a Cloudberry toner. We have a 2.5 ounce Cloudberry Essence toner. I think this is a glass bottle. This is a hefty one. I like the ombre shade. I don't know if that's the bottle or the product. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake the product, but I like that ombre. I've not tried this one before. I did take a sniff of that Cloudberry cream, and it smelled nice, so I'm going to presume this smells just as good. And let's see what else it has in here. It has, well, that's written in French. Let's find it in English. Here we go. Vitamin C and E, CoQ10, fermented rice water, oat and collagen amino acids. Wow, that is packed with all kinds of stuff. Yes, it is. What was your favorite item from these 12 days? Well, she's gonna say watermelon. Yep, I'm gonna say watermelon. However, I gotta say that Cloudberry is intriguing me. So it's running a close second, but yeah, anything with a watermelon, it's gonna be the winner for me. How about you? What did you see in here that you liked, or that you want to try, or that you used? Let me know, because I'm an inquiring cow. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Originally, this Advent calendar, 12 days, was priced at $110. We were able to secure it for $88 to set it aside specifically for a Christmas in July video. So we saved about $22. And that would mean that at $88, each item has to be at least $7.33, which I think on the average for us came out to that price. It stated it had a value of $200. I'd say it was pretty close, because their products on their website range from $20 to $40 for full size. So at least half of the 12 days were in that price range. So it was close. Yeah, I'm tickled with this one. And I think a Advent calendar, or if you go on their website now, they haven't released their new Advent, but they do have sets available. I think that's a great way to get the product that you might like at discount if you can get a set of that type, or get the Advent calendar so you can try, again, what you like, or try a brand that you're not as familiar with. You get some of the products, again, at a discounted price. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that fun stuff. Come on over to the channel. We got fun stuff going over there. And as they say, Merry Christmas in July.